Hello YouTubers, today I'm out with another video. This is similar to the previous one I've made, but then we will take care of the other end of the earphone now. The end that you plug into the phone or tablet. Here I have two earphones. Initially I was planning to replace one with the other, in the sense to replace the broken one with a nice one. But then as I went through the project, I realized that I didn't have to do that, and therefore that gave me the chance to fix one on the jack side and the other one on the earphone side. So this is the one that I'm fixing on the jack side. First and foremost, I cut open the sleeve that covers the joint. The sleeve came out very easily, and therefore it was easy for me to actually analyze and see if I could actually save the other earphone. Once I took it apart, I was able to remove the piece of wire that was actually broken. And by broken I mean it was disconnected on the inside. And then I had to strip the wire and make sure that I had 4 leads showing on the inside of that wire. Here you see the stripped out wires, and next to that is the jack. Now we need to clean up the jack so that we can actually solder the wires onto it. If you see, there's plastic covering it. I think this is hot glue. That has to be removed before we actually start soldering the wire onto it. I've marked the wires so that when I have to solder them back, it's easy for me. I tried to cut open the plastic, but it's a little difficult. In a while I've been able to make progress, and this is how it looks now. All I have to do is solder the wires now. These 4 wires according to the diagram that I have drawn there. Now that I have soldered them back, it's time for me to put the sleeve back on. And this I first tried with rubber glue, but that didn't work, and so I had to settle for Araldite.